hello and welcome to Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 4, partnered by MTV.
इस साल we're back with a bang. Maximum talent, maximum adventure, maximum madness.
Alright, so right now we're at IIFT College, which is right here in Delhi for the showdown.
और हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं at Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Bengaluru.
900 students from across 230 professional colleges and B schools जो compete करने वाले हैं बनने के लिए India's next big youth icon. और ये है Western Regional Round और हम हैं मुंबई में at the Wellington Institute of Management, Research and Development.
And the winner is going to take home a brand new Maruti Suzuki Swift.
This time, what are you looking for in the Mumbai Western Regional Round?
It's essentially the same thing that we were looking for last year. People to get up on stage and have fun. We're not looking for serious talent because we know that people have a very strong focus on their education over here. But we're looking, essentially, if you can get up on stage, be confident and have a great time, then that's the person we're looking for.
That works for you. What about you, Perry?
Yeah, I think, like he said, you want someone who has some spark, fun, and just the ability to let go.
Nikhil, are we going to see something new in your judging skills this time?
No, I think the only thing you're going to see that's new is facial hair. That's a big change from last year, but otherwise it's going to be upfront, honest, and enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
Yep, well,
On
totally.
that note, thank you so very much for chatting with us, and we will catch up with you in there.
Thank you. Thank you very,
guys.
very much.
All the
Thank
best.
you.
Oh my
Thank
God,
you.
itna maza aane wala hai. It is going to be crazy, guys.
Participants, are you ready to give it your all? Yes! Let's begin then and welcome in contestant number 1.
My name is Adnan Khan and I'm from Thakur College of Science and I'm going to beatbox now. Hope you guys like it. Human rap music.
अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. भगवान का दिया वो सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शौहरत है. शाहिद कपूर. क्या चल रहा है? I mean, I'm शाहिद कपूर, right? मैं ऐसी बात कर रहा हूँ. I mean, क्या चल रहा है? क्या है यार? Next is अमरीश पुरी. अरे बिजली आएगी, खुशहाली आएगी.
OMG TIA. समझ में नहीं आया? फुल फॉर्म में बताऊं तो oh my God, this is awesome. जी हाँ, यहाँ वेन्यू के हर कोने पर एक से बढ़ के एक सुपर एंटरटेनर्स हैं. Singers, dancers, mimics, stand-up comedians, the list just goes on and on and on. लेकिन अगर आप मुझे पूछे तो ये जो आने वाला बंदा है, my personal favorite. Check him out.
हर दिन की कहानी मेरी एक ऐसी जुबान इस लम्हे में बेलम्हा आता मेरा सामने इसे छू लूं जरा जाओ या जी लो जरा.
Ashutosh. Mind blowing.
Oh, thank you so
Mind
much.
blowing.
Thank you.
Your expressions, I mean, really, really superb. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank
Nikhil?
you.
You're such a graceful dancer.
Thank you, ma'am.
And it's such a pity that you put your head down and dance. If you get through, I really want you to work on your expression, right? Because you're such a good dancer.
How relieved are you right now?
Well, I'm very much relieved. I was extremely stressed because I saw these personalities like Nikhil Chinnappa and Perizad. I was really stressed. Now I'm feeling happy.
All right. मुझे ये बताइए, what is your passion, your way of life?
Well, my passion is to get into the media industry. I want to get there like crazy. And my way of living is very simple, honest, and be friendly with all.
So what's your passion, your way of life?
Well, my passion is music and to have fun with it. And my way of life is happiness.
My passion is to dance. I just want to keep trying new things and I want to divert my mind from this busy schedule. So I dance and pass my time.
मेरा पैशन है हर जगह का जो फोक म्यूजिक है वो सीखना और उसको समझना, उसके ऊपर रिसर्च करना.
You know, इन performers को देखने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that I'm absolutely inspired by their passion. And mind you, ऐसा passion कोई एवे ही नहीं आता. It has to be a way of life.
Perizad and I both had a great time, and compared to what we had over here in Mumbai last year was a bit of a disappointment for this city, but this year Mumbai just blew us away. It was fantastic.
I've had a fantastic time. There were some absolutely phenomenal performances. Now I can't wait to get to the other cities. So everyone in all the cities, we're coming to you.
मैं हूँ विजय होजे और हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं at Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, बेंगलुरु. मैं आपको बता दूं कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे अमेजिंग टैलेंट्स आने वाले हैं.
Get on the stage and just have some fun because we're not going to find the next Michael Jackson performer in these shows. We just want people to get up on stage and yay! Entertain us! Yay! Yes!
But you know, having said that, there are a lot of really good performances as well.
Are you people excited? Wow, this looks excitement. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, the two cities have been rock stars. So do you think Bangalore can do better? So are you with me to have some fun? Everybody sitting here.
तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बावरे क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते जैसा है कोई एक तारा जैसा है कोई एक तारा जैसा है कोई एक तारा जैसा है कोई एक अल्लाह बोल राम तेरा करके काम तमाम तुझको बूंद बूंद हाँ बूंद बूंद हाँ बूंद बूंद तरसाएगा रग 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 तुझे रोकेगा रग 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 तुझे रोकेगा मेरी जाए रख के मारेगा तो हारेगा 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 सारे करवाएगा.
It's absolutely fantastic.
People are killing it inside. They're killing it outside also. What is your passion? What is your way of life?
So this is my passion, this is my way of life, music.
My passion is to make others happy.
My passion is dance, definitely. My way of life, just enjoy.
My passion is dancing and my way of life is happiness.
High five! पता नहीं क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली जजेस ने कहा कि होजे आपका परफॉर्मेंस इतना अच्छा है कि हमें देखना ही नहीं है. But we had a wild time at Symbiosis Institute of Business Management here in Bengaluru. It is one of the coolest and biggest B schools in the country. इसके बाद बेंगलुरु के winners जाएंगे और टकराएंगे with Chennai and Hyderabad.
But Delhi, we're looking forward to lots of fun, lots of variety, hopefully, and lots of variation, yeah.
Welcome to Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 4 partnered by MTV. Today we're in IIFT College, which is all the way in Delhi. We are here to witness some of the best that the B schools and the professional colleges of India have to offer us in terms of absolutely insane, crazy talent.
We're at this institute called IIFT, and I've heard such great things about it. Especially there's a dhaba outside where the parathas and the keema are supposed to be incredible, and that's what I'm looking forward to today.
Having it very shortly for our chai nashta. It's going to be a paratha and keema, yes. But Delhi, we're looking forward to lots of fun, lots of variety, hopefully, and lots of variation, yeah.
गलत कहते हैं वो कि मोहब्बत सिर्फ आंखों से होती है गलत कहते हैं वो कि मोहब्बत सिर्फ आंखों से होती है दिल तो वो भी लूट ले जाते हैं जो पलके तक नहीं उठाते
We are exposing some of the craziest, the wackiest, the most individualistic talents that you have ever seen. And where is this talent coming from? From some of the best B schools and professional colleges in India. So right now, IIFT College right here in Delhi is going to have a major showdown of over 1,000 kids performing against one another for that coveted title.
Hi guys, this is Rohit. I'll be performing a speed painting with a difference. This is not a normal speed painting. I will be performing a 5 feet painting in minutes.
It's very impressive, man. Very cool.
Awesome, Rohit. Really superb. Can we give him a big cheer, guys? Come on.
ख्याल शायरी नज़म सब कुर्बान किए उन पर ख्याल शायरी नज़म सब कुर्बान किए उन पर उनकी तारीफ में तो खुदा को भी नाराज़ किया बस एक ख्वाहिश के लिए इबादत करता हूँ कि उनकी मुस्कान को बेनकाब कर दिया जाए उनकी मुस्कान को बेनकाब कर दिया जाए उनके ओठों की लकीर को मेरा कादिर करार दिया जाए
निगोरी तेरा झुमका बड़ा किंकी किंकी टाइप दा निगोरी तेरा झुमका बड़ा फंकी फंकी टाइप दा कटीली तेरी अखियां जैसे लोग रंगीली टाइप दा निगोरी तेरा नखरा बड़ा हैंगी हैंगी टाइप दा वेरी वेरी लोनली मेरा तू ही सैया ओनली मैं वेरी वेरी लोनली मेरा तू ही सैया ओनली फर्स्ट प्यार है लास्ट यार है किसी दे दे अब तेरी जैसे बसंती अच्छारी दुल्हे पे न चाला I'm
Wonderful costume, wonderful performance, and you all stuck to the time. Superb.
My passion is my art. Art is everything for me. It's not just conventional painting for me, it's a different technique for me. Usually I paint in a mysterious style. My paintings come in the last and it's a climax for all the viewers.
My way of life is I don't live life, I hum life. So yeah, the passion is obviously, yeah, it's music. So I want to establish myself in the music field, that's all.
Actually, I'm very much passionate about acting, and that is why I'm here. And actually, it is something that makes me very happy, and it is the best way to express my emotions.
Music is my passion because it's one of the few things in life that has and will always remain free and limitless.
दिल्ली की तशन तो कहीं और दिखने को मिलती भी नहीं है. So hats off to you guys. So thank you to all the contestants who came out and showed us what they've got and what sets them apart. After all, this is Colors of Youth.
The audience over here today is amazing.
Audience, क्या बात है? Hey, hello and welcome to Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 4 partnered by MTV. Yeah, ma'am, सब ठीक है? आज हम हैं कोलकाता में for the Eastern Regionals and it is going to be mind-blowing.
Everyone in Calcutta, it's a place for art, right? Where art nourishes, and so we're really looking forward to some insane talent here. And when you have like 170 to 200 contestants, what do you expect? Huge talent.
It's going to be crazy. Talia! Talia!
One of the things that makes or breaks this competition is not really talent, it's the audience. And the audience over here today is amazing.
Audience, क्या बात है?
This is one for you, Nikhil sir. La 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 la.
Today fish with her. If it will feed nothing else, it'll feed my revenge. He had disgraced me and hindered me 500,000, laughed at my losses, mocked at my gains, scorned my nation, thwarted my bargains, cooled my friends, eaten mine enemies, and what's his reason? I am a Jew.
जिया चले जा चले नैनो तले धुआं चले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना सके रे जिया चले जा चले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना सके रे जिया जले
My passion in life is creativity.
My passion is singing.
I want to be different from others.
I want to play guitar till the end of time.
Oh man, the energy. बाप रे, मैं बोलने वाला था कि the energy is electric over here. कहीं पे भी देखो तो लोग people are performing, getting ready, rehearsing और ये पागल लोग पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गए. आप लोग कौन हैं? Please, security. super duper killer. Some of the most amazing performers have earned their spot in the Eastern Zonals, and that's going to be one amazing show of Tufani talent which you absolutely cannot miss. और information के लिए go to colorsofyouth.com. अब मेरा Robindra Sangeet का classes का time आ गया. So for the sake of your eardrums, I'm going to say adios amigos. Please keep it wild, keep it wacky, and rock your reality.